I'm an Upwork top-rated plus AI developer with over 45 successfully delivered projects under my belt. Pleasure to see you here. My name is Max, and have fun watching this video. I will be showing you 5 sales and marketing n8n automation templates, which can bring the actual value for both people who would like to sell the automations and for those who are looking forward to utilize pre-made templates. So the first automation is generation of personalized emails based on the person's LinkedIn data. And the way this automation works is incredibly straightforward. It just goes from Google Sheet row entry with the name and company of the individual. After that, we search for the profile of the person on LinkedIn. We use Epify actors for search operations. And then we have the logic to filter out only the relevant profile for the individual to whom we are reaching out, as well as the info about the company. And then, based on the data which the person has specified is relatable to his company, his offer, and his identity, the AI agent automatically generates the personalized email with all of the context included, and then it sends the personalized email via Gmail. So in order to have this template work properly, you only need Google Sheets connection, Epify API key, OpenRouter API key in order to get access to over 100 mainstream LLM models, and Gmail connection. So not as much, and the connections like OpenRouter, Gmail, and Google Sheets are incredibly popular, so the person can set them up only once and then be able to reuse them across different templates. So you have the second automation in the today's list, and it is enriching the LinkedIn comments to leads using Epify. And here what we do is that we run the Epify comment scraper in order to get the most recent and most relevant comments under the post of our lead, and then we essentially are able to convert the data we have got from the comments of the specific profile into the list of the qualified leads, because those people have shown the clear interest in the topic of that post which we have picked to scrape, and as a result we get the list of the clean leads which are ready to be contacted and proceeded with just in the Google Sheets file as a new entry. Here we have the next template, which allows the person to craft, or rather scrape, leads from Google Maps completely automatically. It can be done just on the scheduled basis or manually in case the person decides to go with this option. And the way we do this is that we have the Google Sheet with zip codes to look up, then the subcategory which represents the industry of the lead, and then we utilize this information in Google Maps API. Then we are able to extract the businesses which meet the search criteria, which are retrieved as the result of the search operation. And after that, we just have this trial mechanism to try to extract the results as much as possible and eventually add the new entry, again, a new found lead on Google Sheet. The fourth template may be the smallest one out of all, but yet not less valuable. It allows to basically get the most recent news about the company, which with whose representatives you have the calls today. So let's say you have the call with the representative of OpenAI today at 3 p.m. Then at 7 a.m. you will have the automation running. It will pick on that you have the call with someone from OpenAI. It will search the news on this interesting startup, and in case there is something found, they well, even if nothing is found, you still will receive the update with the relevant pieces of information regarding that company. Well, alternatively, if there are no meetings, maybe you're just chilling, or that's weekend or whatever, then we just well, the automation just stops and doesn't throw any error. And I wasn't right, actually. That was not the smallest automation, but again, the other one, it has only 3 main nodes, yet maybe in some way that's the most powerful automation out of all. That's the template for, I think, sales the most, as this automation is triggered on incoming email. Then it waits for the short amount of time, particularly for 1 second, and then using the existing list of labels in your Gmail account, the specific letter is labeled with the relevant label depending on its context. So let's say someone in sales wants to know what kind of reply he has received from the client, then he has labels interested, not interested, requires more info. The automation can completely handle this sorting and do it in a very prompt and reliable manner, because this trigger is getting triggered just immediately upon incoming of the new message on Gmail, which is wonderful. Thank you very much for watching. Press the like button if you like this video. Press the dislike button under someone else's video if you didn't like this particular piece of content. Also leave the comment either why you love this video or something else. Thank you very much for your attention. And if you're not dummy and you want to save hours of time and add thousands of dollars to your business's profit margins, then book a free AI audit call for your business in the first link in the description below. Let's automate the things together. And subscribe.